Remy is working on a cash flow analysis for a large financial institution. He's running into an issue because he doesn't have access to all the tables he needs to complete his project. Specifically, Remy needs access to this cash flow analysis table located within Snowflake. As you can see here, when he tries to run the query, he's not authorized to access this table. That's not a problem though, because Remy can browse the Immuta marketplace, find an appropriate data product, request access to that data product, and if he's approved, will gain access to the necessary tables within Snowflake. So I can see there's a financial performance and analytics platform data product here. So if I click this link, I'll see that it has the necessary tables and matches the description for the use case that I have in mind. So Remy is going to request access and supply responses to the customized request form here. So I'm going to say I need access for my cash flow analysis. I'm going to select a duration, and Remy's going to choose indefinitely here, which this may be a problem because being a financial institution, this data is subject to SOX compliance. I have completed my compliance training, and I'm going to be using this data for financial planning and analysis, and I'm going to agree with the data usage agreement. I'll submit this request, which will be routed to the data steward for approval. I'm going to switch over to my data steward here, go to access requests, and I can see Remy's access request that he just submitted. If I click on this request, I can review Remy's responses, and I can see that Remy requested this data indefinitely. This is going to be a problem because SOX compliance requires access certification every couple of months. So what I'm going to do when I continue to determination, I'm going to temporarily and then submit the determination. That's it. So what's happened under the covers is Immuta's provisioned Remy's access to this data product and provision his access in the underlying data platform. If I refresh my page here, I'll see Remy now has access to all of the tables associated with this data product. And if I go to Snowflake and then run this query again, you can see that Remy has access to this table. And furthermore, Immuta is applying additional data policies redacting sensitive columns, line item, and business unit.